What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen how to cook. And today we're making carrot, celery, ginger and lemon juice in the kitchen. Fast, easy and simple. Make sure you subscribe, goodie, if you have not, and turn on your post notifications so you won't miss any of these upload. And for all I'm returning goodie, on a don't know so on a girl loving her, on a ready for cook. Come on, let's cook.
Look what prayer can do. Hypocrite and bad mind must flow. The same mouth will cheer for you, and the same one them would turn round and boo. Yeah, prayer me I use and win. Prayer me I use and win.
Alright, goodie, make we get into the juice recipe, but before I get into it, we're going to talk about this health benefit consuming these fruits and vegetables. Lemon contains a high amount of vitamin C, soluble fiber and plant compound, and that gives a number of health benefits such as weight loss, reduce the risk of a heart attack or heart disease, anemia, kidney stones. It's even good for digestive issues and cancer. Lemon is known to cure most common colds, especially in this time where there's COVID and such as. It is good for that. Carrots are particularly a good source of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidants. They also have a number of health benefits. They're good for weight loss, they're friendly foods, and have been linked to lower cholesterol levels. They improve eye health. It is good for energy. It is good for blood pressure. If you're having blood pressure problem, it is perfect for that. Celery is a low cholesterol vegetable that may have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It can be used to lower cholesterol levels. It's good for arthritis pain. It quickens weight loss, protects against oxidative damage, and reduces high blood pressure. Including celery stalks and the leaves is a good form of diet, and it may promote your overall health, especially for your heart. Now, celery leaves are also used in medicine to cure most cancer. It's really good. Apparently, ginger is a stearin ingredient in many green juices for good reason. Ginger is amazing. A lot of people call it the mighty ginger medicine. It's good for nausea, vomiting. It's good for blood pressure, blood sugar. It decreases migraine pain, relieves arthritis pain. It's good for heart health, brain. It reduces inflammation. It's good for people who are pregnant. It's claimed to cure cancer. Okay. It's good for you name it. Cholesterol, if you have a common cold, you name it, cancer, right? So now we're going to go ahead and blend up all these vegetables. Just do a little bit of decor to it, presentation, and yeah, let's go. Alright, goodie, to get started, I am going to use the blender for the recipe. As far as my carrot is concerned, there's no particular way to cut it. You just want to cut it enough so it won't kill off your blender, right? So I'm just cutting it, dicing it into smaller pieces, and I'm going to throw it in my blender. Now, the carrot that I'm using here is organic carrot. And no matter if organic or whatever carrot you can find in the store, you go ahead and then use that. But this particular one is organic. It's pretty big, so I never have to use anymore. That was pretty good for me. Just put it in my blender here, and that was ready to go. Now the next thing we're going to do is the celery. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the inside of the celery is the leaves. We don't want to discard those leaves. Those leaves could be added if you're making a salad. It is good for urinary tract infections, okay? So if you're a type of person who suffers from urinary tract infections, those leaves from the celery is perfect for that. Just make a salad with it and you're good to go. Cut it up, put it in the blender. Now, this is the ginger. As you notice here, I am not taking off the ginger skin. You want to let the ginger skin stay on. The ginger skin contains a massive amount of vitamins here, okay? That is good for your overall health as well. So when you peel off the ginger skin, you're throwing more than half of its benefits in the trash. So be sure that you're keeping on the ginger skin for sure. That ginger skin is also good for people who have problem digesting their foods. So you don't want to throw it out, okay? Of course, me I clean up because the girl is a clean freak, massively. I'm getting my everything ready. Now, as far as blending it is concerned, I'm using water to throw it in there, okay? Cold water is what I'm using here. And add it into it. I didn't measure anything. I just went ahead and put the water in to where it's not going to flow over in the blender. So I cannot tell you that I put in 2 cups or 3 cups or whatever. Deciding on how big your blender is, that is how much water you want to go ahead and put in the blender, right? So I gave it a good mix, a good spin. Now I would say I let this thing blend for at least 2 minutes or more until everything was smooth, nice and smooth and refined, so that way I could get all the good benefits from the vegetables, the fruits and vegetables, okay? Went ahead and squeeze it out into my jar here. This is what I'm going to use to sweeten up everything and get it ready. Oh my goodness, y'all, I love this. Oh, I cannot tell you how much I love this juice, okay? I love it, love it. When you put it in the refrigerator and let it sit for like 24 hours, I kid you not, that is where everything just gets powerful and really strong. That's what I like to do when I make it. I don't like to drink it right away. If I have to drink it right away, I do, but I really like to let it sit and marinate. Let's just say sit and marinate for 24 hours before I actually start drinking it, so that all those vegetables and stuff could do what they really need to do, right? But anyway, I just went ahead, as you could see, and just add water to it, just to make sure that I had the level of what I needed, how much I needed in the container, in the jar, let's say. Now good, if you're still watching me making this juice, y'all, do not hesitate to thumbs up the video, okay? On the non-thumbs up the videos, them no good, on the non-thumbs up the videos, them. Even if I bring them every day, or ever often I bring them, y'all watch them, but on the non-thumbs them up. And because on the non-thumbs them up, the videos are going flat. I'm not ready to go flat. Everything else on the body can go flat, but your girl don't want to go flat. So go ahead and thumbs up the videos for me, okay? I appreciate it. Now, as you can see, I'm cleaning up. I'm always cleaning up. My kitchen has to stay clean. As they cook, you clean up. As you juice, you clean up, okay? That's just me. I sort of pay me the mind upon that. Now, to sweeten it, I am using 1 cup of organic cane sugar. Now, if you want, you can drink it just natural like that and don't add no sweetener or add a sweetener of choice. They have so many other sweeteners besides the organic cane sugar you could use to sweeten your thing up. But to give it flavor, add a little sweetener to it. Now, as far as my lemon is concerned, what I decided to do was go ahead and add the lemon inside of the juice, okay? So you want to go in and slice these lemons up as thin as you can. It don't matter if it's thin or whatever. Just slice up your lemon, right? Slices. And then you are going to put it in your container here. But before you put it in the container, just dissolve out your sweetener of choice. And again, I did use organic cane sugar for the recipe. And then you add in the lemon slices to it. Now, another friendly reminder, I do sometimes, instead of using lemon slices, I do use orange slices as well. Sometimes I use all grapefruit in it, okay? Just I slice the grapefruit and put it in there and I let it sit overnight. Now let's move on, okay? Because we think we get the part there ready. Now to give it my decor so it look nice and pretty, okay? In that container I did add some sugar, okay? White cane sugar. I did use the lemon slice to wet up the surface of the glass. Okay, a lot of people use salt, but I don't want salt here. We're just going to go with sugar. Okay, especially if you're not going to sweeten your beverage, you want to use sugar for the recipe. Now after that, I do have some strawberry syrup here, and that is totally optional. But again, if you're not going to sweeten your thing, this is perfect. This is a perfect method. And you could use honey if you are not vegan. You could use honey. Okay, that would be your sweetener of choice. Add some cubes to it, and then poured out my juice in the glass, and it was ready. Okay, but then you want to even look nice and prettier, so just go ahead and add your lemon slice to it. Now if you have pineapple, you could add pineapple to it too. If you want to add some cherry, you add some cherry to it as well. But whatever you decide to do, it is going to be fabulous and it's going to taste amazing. Make it your own, give it a try, tell me how you like it, tell me what you switched around, and let me know the flavor if you really do enjoy the flavor, if you do decide to give it a try. But this is it, y'all. I hope you did enjoy this recipe. It was fast, it was easy, it was simple. Now share the recipe with your friends and family. Tell them we are going over here. Bring them come and send them come. I'm waiting. And when you get done doing all of that, tell me where you want to see me cook next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy.